Before beginning, be sure to follow all electrical safety precautions. To access the heater, you will need to remove the side panels and the heater panel. Remove the 5 screws from the side panel with a T15 driver. Once screws are removed, slide the panel forward to release from the back slot and then tip the top in and remove the panel. Repeat the same process for the other side panel. The heater cover can be removed next. Remove the 3 screws from the front. The heater panel is supported in the back by a channel, so when you pull the panel out, be ready for the back end to drop. Insert a sheet of cardboard to protect the interior of the oven. Remove the 4 fasteners to suspend the heater. Next, we will disconnect the lead from the heater. A thin heater wrench is needed to fit between the heater lead and the porcelain insulator. A second wrench is used to remove the top nut. When installing the new heater, be careful not to damage the insulator. Use the thin heater wrench shown earlier to support the stud assembly, and then use the second wrench to tighten the nut until the lock washer is compressed. The orientation of the lead is critical, so you don't short out on the ceiling of the oven or the heater cover. Refer to the heater drawing for specifics. After connecting the lead, mount the heater to the ceiling with the 4 screws. When replacing the heater panel, be sure to set the back end into the back channel and then replace the 3 screws on the front. Replace the side panels and you're finished.